In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your videos in Notion. A task that might at first seem daunting, but with the right approach, it becomes a simple and efficient process. Notion is a versatile tool that can serve as your go-to workspace for everything from planning projects to organizing documents, and even managing your video catalog. Let's begin by navigating to your connected workspace in Notion. This environment will be the hub where all your organizational magic happens, providing you with an array of tools to help keep your video projects well structured. Once you're in your workspace, the next step is to log in. If you're already a Notion user, this will be straightforward. If not, simply head over to their sign-up page and create an account. Logging in can connect you to a world of possibilities for managing both your daily tasks and creative projects. Now, let's head to the Notion home. This is your dashboard, your command center, from which you can access all your pages and projects. Familiarize yourself with this space because it's where all your video organizing activities will stem from. The next key step is to click on the Marketplace. This marketplace is a treasure trove of templates and tools created by both Notion and other users. These templates can dramatically cut down the time required to set up your video organization system. Once you're in the marketplace, it's time to search for YouTube. Doing this will pull up a variety of templates specifically designed for video content creators. These templates can help structure your video ideas, production schedules, and even manage the publishing process, providing a comprehensive framework for your projects. When you find a template that looks promising, go ahead and select it. But don't rush through this step. Take your time to explore the layouts and functionalities that might best suit your needs. Choosing the right template is crucial, as it forms the blueprint of how you'll organize and manage your videos moving forward. Remember, the key to successfully using Notion to organize your videos lies in taking advantage of its flexibility. Customize your selected template according to your workflow and preferences. Whether it means adding new columns, changing labels, or linking additional resources, personalize it until it perfectly matches your needs. By the end of these steps, your videos should be well organized within Notion, providing you with a streamlined, easily manageable system where projects are clear, deadlines are meaningful, and creativity can flow without obstacles. With Notion as your ally, keeping your video content organized becomes less of a chore and more of a seamless part of your creative process.